everyone, welcome to our first supply chain update of 2022. My name is Keipert and I am the Procurement Director here at Earnest Machine. This year we are bringing you a new and improved supply chain update, designed to keep you current with the latest trends and topics within the global supply chain. Looking back, 2021 was anything but normal, and from what we're seeing, the disruptions we experienced last year will be with us throughout 2022. Here are some of the trends we are watching this year and a preview of the content we'll be bringing you throughout the new year. We are working on content regarding the circular supply chain, which is how manufacturers and sellers recycle and repurpose materials for resale. We'll also share what we're learning about supply chain as a service and how we're using AI and data analytics to help you overcome supply chain hurdles. And later this quarter, we will be sharing how Earnest Machine is becoming more agile to help our customers' supply chains be more responsive to change. Lastly, we are watching the trend of supply chain integration, combining technology and smart business practices to make the supply chain more agile, lean, and efficient. We're excited to bring you this new and fresh approach to content in 2022, so stay tuned throughout the rest of the year as we dive deeper into these subject matters and keep you up to date on the health of this supply chain. With that, let's look at our newest segment, Supply Chain by the Numbers, where we feature key statistics from important topics within the supply chain, starting with the trade lanes. Right now, the pre-Chinese New Year cargo rush has pushed premium rates even higher in the Asia to North America trade lane. Rate levels remain elevated and potentially large increases are expected for January due to strong demand. Shippers and importers are converting bookings from standard to premium, making available space critical. Port congestion and dwell times have decreased at the Port of Los Angeles and Long Beach, with reports of 123 vessels at anchor and a 9 to 11 day container dwell time. However, the resurgence of COVID is causing concern in Ningbo and West Coast ports as well. Our recommendations for the TPEB trade lane are to book at least 4 to 5 weeks ahead of normal. Also, premium options may be limited but should be considered. The Asia to Europe trade lane is also experiencing difficulties as space and equipment crunches continue as demand consistently exceeds supply, with rates staying high for longer periods of time. Space for this trade lane remains in a critical state, and ports in Asia are seeing severe equipment shortages that are impacting capacity. Congestion at the Port of Rotterdam is easing, and dwell times are reducing. We recommend booking at least 3 to 4 weeks ahead and consider premium options and be flexible regarding available equipment. Lastly, schedules remain tight when shipping from Europe to North America, and you should anticipate delays due to inclement weather. Rates are stable but still elevated, with available space at a critical level. Capacity also remains tight, and port congestion seems to be easing slightly. Trucking also continues to be an issue, so let's take a closer look at that as well. We continue to monitor the shortage of drivers in North America and in the UK. We are waiting to see if the short-term solutions in place can diversify the driver base, and if the recruitment efforts are having an effect in reducing this shortage. Additionally, LTL carriers' costs are rising due to overlength freight, double delivery costs, and single shipments that result in lower revenue per bill. To avoid potential problems in the future, we recommend intelligent route planning and know when orders are hot so you can send them dedicated and give advance notice on pickups, as well as prioritize loads as fuel surcharges continue to increase. Now, let's review what's happening with global manufacturing. The global cost of steel wire rod used in the fastener industry ended 2021 at $1,012 per ton. Steel pricing rose significantly throughout 2020 and 2021, and prices now are just beginning to stabilize a bit. Also, the U.S. Purchasing Managers Index slipped in December to 58.70, but remains in a positive growth or expansion state for U.S. manufacturing. The Euro Area PMI also slipped to its lowest number since January of 2021. In the Euro Area, PMI measures the performance of manufacturing in the EU, excluding the UK, and is derived from a survey of 3,000 manufacturing firms. Next, let's look at Earnest's role in the supply chain. Earnest Machine is currently operating at a 98.33% available to ship on time rate, which is the percentage of our inventory that is available to ship to you on any given day. Additionally, our on-time delivery metric fell by 3.22% and is coming in below goal at 80.92%. Our part accuracy improved by 0.07% and is coming in above goal at 99.98%. Our quantity accuracy metric also saw an improvement of 0.02% and is above goal at 99.97%. Lastly, our order entry accuracy metric improved 0.03%, but is coming in below goal at 99.90%. We hope that you are as excited as we are about 2022, and we look forward to bringing you the latest supply chain news throughout the year. For more information on any of the topics covered in this video, please feel free to reach out to us by using the contact information you see on screen. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of our future supply chain content.